Have you taught the names of the strings of the violin many times to find out that your young beginner continues to confuse the D string with the G string? Or are you a parent that's constantly asking your child's teacher what those names of the strings were? Remembering the names of the strings, even though there are only 4, can be somewhat elusive. But if you have a fun way to remember them, and you understand the relationship between each of them, even if you forget, you'll still be able to figure it out. In this video, you'll learn the names of the strings of the violin by relating them to 4 animal friends and to 4 colors, so that the child has a fun, relatable way of never forgetting those names again. I'm Violin Goldenberg, and I invite you to watch the next segment of this video with your student or your child. You won't want to miss my team of helpers from the Puppets for Strings series and the wonderful world of Interland. Let's join them. Hi, I'm Mom.
And I'm Izzy.
And we're the Momisi Team.
And we love to share violin tips with you.
So what are we going to talk about today, Izzy?
Today, we're going to introduce you to the strings.
The strings of the violin? Well, I'm glad we have a violin right here. You mean these?
Yes, there are 4 strings. But I want to tell you a secret.
A secret? I love secrets. Well, tell me. How can that be? You mean they're not just strings?
No. Each string is the home of one of Fanny's friends.
Wait, I'm confused. There are friends that live on each string?
Yes, let me show you. One lives up here, the other one lives here, the other one lives here, the other one down here.
I have to see this. I don't see any friends in here.
Oh, no. You have to be introduced to them before you can see them.
Introduced to them? Well, introduce me to them.
Oh, no, I can't do that.
You can't? Well, then who can do it?
Lula!
Lula, of course! We have to call Lula to come and help us. Are you ready? Let's all call her together. Lula! Lula! Hi again. Remember me? I'm Lula. I'll introduce you to Fanny's friends that live on each of her strings. They'll be glad to teach you how each of them rings. Hi, I'm Eek the Mouse. I live in a high house. My string is E. Hi, I'm Abel the kitty. My meow's really pretty. My string is A. Hi, I'm Diego the doggy. Sometimes I'm just naughty. My string is D. Hi, I'm Gino the lion. My mane needs an iron. My string is G.
Now, let's play a game together. Make sure you have your violin so you can follow along. Do you remember what animal Eek is? Yes, he's a mouse. Do you know what a mouse says? Yes, they say squeak. Let's say squeak 3 times by pulling Eek's string with this finger, the index finger. Get your finger ready like this. Ready and go and squeak, squeak, squeak. Do you remember what animal Abel is? Yes, he's a kitty cat. Do you know what kitty cats say? Yes, they say meow. Let's say meow 3 times by pulling Abel's string with this same finger. Get your finger ready like this. Ready and go and meow, meow, meow. Do you know what animal Diego is? Yes, he's a doggy. Do you know what doggies say? Yes, they say woof. Let's say woof 3 times by pulling Diego's string with this same finger. Get your finger ready, like this. Ready and go and woof, woof, woof. Now the last one. Do you remember what animal Gino is? Yes, he's a lion. Do you know what lions say? Yes, they say roar. Let's say roar 3 times by pulling Gino's string with this same finger. Get your finger ready like this. Ready and go and roar, roar, roar. Yay!
If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and leave a comment below with your favorite takeaways.
You can share this video with your friends, and if you want to learn more, you can visit our website at momisimusichouse.com.
If you're the teacher or the parent of young violin beginners, you can encourage them to make drawings of the 4 friends and color them with their corresponding colors. This is a fun activity to do with those students that are not yet playing their instrument or are in the pre-twinkle stage, and also for those 7 to 10-year-olds that love to draw. We already received a drawing from one of our previous episodes from the Violin Song.
This is Catalina's version of Fanny.
That's so nice, Catalina. Thank you so much for sending in your drawing. We would love to receive your drawings from all over the world. And if you'd like to find out more, click on the link below for Momisi Music Art Friends, where we'll tell you how you can send your drawings to us.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any of our new violin tips that we'll be sharing with you.
And stay tuned for our next episode where Lula will teach us some fun secrets about the strings so that we always remember which one is which. Okay, we're ready to say goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe.